Hello everyone, I'm Gabriele Morani, Sole Director of Seat Industries, SRL, a company set up in 1990 based on an idea of mine and of Mr. Malavolti Luciano, now president of the entire AMA Group. The history of the company, which started in 1990, is a very long journey. The company produces seats and steering wheels for earth-moving machinery, so off-highway vehicles. In fact, for all vehicles except cars. What are the types of services that Seat Industries SRL can offer to the market? Without a doubt, the construction of seats and steering wheels for off-highway vehicles, but above all, the customization of products. Customization, both at an Italian level, but above all at an international level, has distinguished us in the years of our growth, after the 7 or 8 years from the establishment of the company. Customers such as Stiga, Argo, Caterpillar, and Steel have found in us, and in the possibility of customizing their products, a strength that for us today is one of the best incentives to ensure our longevity on the market. Today, Seat Industries SRL on the market is ranked at the European level as one of the top 3 or 4 groups, and at the world level among the top 7 or 8 groups in the construction of seats and steering wheels. However, especially in the various customizations, we are perhaps one of the 2 leading groups in the world. We are currently enjoying a strong propensity for growth, especially towards the OEMs and a consolidation of the aftermarket segment in the various countries, not only in Europe, but across all 5 continents. As CEO of Seat Industries, I would like to express above all my heartfelt gratitude that after more than 30 years of history, and within both the office and especially the factory workers, and in our subsidiaries around the world, we still have an exceptionally low staff turnover. And this is testimony to the fact that not only does the AMA Group represent a large family for me and for all those who work at Seat, but within Seat Industries itself, a climate that has been created that is envied by many other companies. They see us not only as a company, a customer, a supplier, but they see us as a big family. One memory that is most dear to me has to do with the conversations I usually had on Wednesday afternoons in the early 90s with Mr. Malavolti Luciano, who obviously wanted to know how the previous week had gone and how the next one would go. They always culminated with the fact that you can make a mistake, but there was always the possibility to recover. And I always found a lot of comfort in him and in the family. One thing that I would like to stress is that choosing Seat products, part of the AMA Group, over those of our competitors, is the best choice because our products are the result of the skills, knowledge, flexibility, and humility of the people in our group and in Seat Industries.